I'm going to be recreating one of Alia Bhatt's makeup looks. I'll insert an image. Okay, so with her eyeshadow look, I've looked at a lot of pictures of her makeup, and what her makeup artist tends to do, I think because of her eye shape, like she doesn't have a lot of space in her hood, neither do I, is that she just uses one shade. Like it's not very complex. She just uses one shade and then she puts a smoky eyeliner type thing. So it's pretty simple, it's not that much effort. In this picture specifically, she's wearing pink eyeshadow, so it's, yeah, just pick a pink color and put it all over your lid. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Palette Glam. Soft Glam. So yeah, you just want to put it like all over your lid. There's not much technique to this. I can't see. Next, what we're going to move into is eyeliner. Eyeliner is kind of smoked out, it's not very prominent, so you can just use a pencil, and then you don't need to be crazy precise with it because you'll be spreading it out with a brush later on. So just using this. Curl your eyelashes. We're done with the eyes for now. Now we're gonna move on to our actual face. I think with her makeup, her trademark look is glowy. Like she always has a glowy face, and so we're gonna be using a foundation that's dewy. Using concealer underneath our eyes. I'm not going to be setting the concealer, I'm just going to put a little bit of powder over it. After that's done, I'm just going to take a thin brush, and with the pink eyeshadow, I'm just going to go underneath my eyes. She also has a little bit eyeliner, not on her waterline, but just in front of it. And so for that, I'm not going to be using a black eyeliner. I'm actually going to use brown because it gives the same effect, but like if you mess up, it's not that hard to fix. Now what's left is pretty much the blush, the bronzer, and the lips. I'm going to move on to the bronzer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. For highlighter, she has kind of like a gold and silver highlighter. Lastly, we're gonna do the lips, so I'm using a lip balm first. I'm gonna add a little bit of a gloss to it.